Hello friends, in this video tutorial let us see the concept of data bars in SSRS. So for this let us go to SSDT. Now we have got a blank report, right? There are no controls, no chart control or tablets in this report. So let us go and see the data set. So it's having a very simple query. We are just selecting region and item sold, and we are extracting the month name part and the month number part, okay, from the sold date. Okay, so let us, if you want to go and see the output, let us go and see the output of this query. Okay, so this is the output of the query. Okay, now let us click OK. So now let us go and add a matrix to our report, right? Let us go and add region wise item sold. Okay, and let us make this bold. So this is how the basic data looks, right? Now let us go and add insert a group to the right, or column to the right. Okay, and let us call this as data bar. Okay, now let us resize this. Okay, let us resize this. Okay, now the basic purpose for introducing data bars is to see the trend in this data. That is, right now our data is region wise item sold, right? So to see the trend, general trend in the data of item sold, let's say in our example item sold is the main data, right, is the main measure, right? So to see the trend inside these values of item sold, we can introduce a data bar, okay, or a spark line, okay, just as a column inside our paginated report, our tabular report, okay, so that we quickly come to know the trend lying inside this data value, right? So that is the purpose of data bar and spark lines. Okay, so now let us go and see how to add this data bar. So you go and insert data bar. Now there are two types of data bars that you can add. One is in the bar format and second is in the column format, right? So let us first of all take the column format. Now let us provide which values we want to see. We want to see item sold as per month name. Okay, so, and let us see data labels, correct? So now we are able to see some sort of graph, right, but we are not able to see which is the month name, right, in this data corresponds to which month name and all, right? So let us go and change this series property to month name. Okay, and okay, see, it was June, May, April, March, April, July, March. So we are able to see some data and some trend in the data, but the month number names are not ordered. Okay, so let us do the ordering. So let's go to month name, categories, sorting, and order by number. Okay, preview. So now it's showing in proper order: May, June, March, April, July. Okay, so now the user can see the basic trend in the data, but what if the user also wants to see what was the exact data for these particular months? Then let us go and let us select this series properties, correct, and let us in the tooltip add the exact numbers, right? So let's add the item sold, sum. Okay, okay, so now let us see in the tooltip we are able to see the data, right? So if user wants to see that, okay, this is the trend, but what is the exact data, the user can also go through the data using tooltip. Okay, now if you want to make this more colorful, let's say you want to show these bars in different colors, then you can just add month name as part of the series group. Okay, and make the sorting based on month number. Okay, now see, now May, June, March, April, July, right? And the user is also able to see the different exact total sale numbers, right, associated with this particular month numbers. So now what if user wants to see it in the form of bars? So let us go and change the bar type. You can make this, right? So now data is visible in the form of bars also. Okay, now if you want, then you can also convert this to full chart. Okay, so first of all, let us make it column chart, convert it to full chart, then let us expand the area because full chart will not fit into this much area. In order to save space, you can delete this and delete this, right? And now you are able to see a full chart in this as part of this tabular report also. Okay, so I hope friends this video tutorial on data bars is useful to you. Thank you.